Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a Cirrus White. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A Sahara beige MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got a push start ignition, our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, paddle shifters for extra performance, our media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 19,331 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmannimports.com.